I see a light in your eyes. I follow you, so they're foolish.
Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome to another TikTok food video. You guys, we are so excited about these because, as you guys know, we have done the other TikTok food hacks, and in one of those, we did the Oreo mug cake, and you guys all tried it out and loved it. So we went and found some more TikTok mug cakes, cookies, brownies. We are trying 3 different ones for you guys today, and we're gonna let you guys know which one we love the best.
And show you guys how easy they are to make. Literally, once we put these like 5 ingredients in each one, it takes 1 minute in the microwave.
So easy. So we want to try and make all of these to see if they taste and look as good as the ones on TikTok.
Because the ones on TikTok look like they're all fluffy and perfect.
Amazing. They look
serious.
Delicious. So I'm actually very excited, guys. Like I said, we're doing 3 different ones. So we're doing a chocolate chip cookie one, we're doing a brownie one, and we're doing a lemon blueberry one.
Ooh.
Right off the bat, comment down below, which one would you pick? What is your, like, I need that? What about you, babe?
I'm going chocolate chip cookie, but it's a very, the lemon blueberry is very close to it.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I would have thought you would have picked brownie.
No, that's too chocolatey. What?
Okay. I'm going with lemon blueberry.
You okay?
That's
okay.
like right up my alley right there. So we're gonna try it out, you guys, and maybe it'll surprise us. Maybe we'll like one more than what we originally thought we would like.
Let's find out.
Let's do it. Okay, so first one up, you guys, we are gonna be doing the chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh.
Cookie cake, whatever you want
Cookie
to call
cake
it.
Mix. Ooh, yum yum.
Deliciousness. So you guys, check out this awesome mug.
Ooh, let's see that.
Actually, I just pulled this out. We've had this forever. And I know a bunch of you guys are gonna be asking about it, so we will link it. You can purchase these.
It's actually just right below this video.
Yeah. Oh, it's right below this video. Just click on it and you guys can totally go grab one. And they're stinking cute. We've had it forever. We love it.
It's called our FamBammer mug, you guys.
Yes, it says Phillips FamBam, #FamBammer.
And there's one, I think it's a choose your day mug too, so it'll say choose your day on it as well.
Yeah, so go check those out. But you guys, we are gonna get started. First, you're gonna lightly coat the mug with some cooking spray.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's what I said to do, so that's what I do. So we got this all sprayed down. Now you guys, literally, we're gonna just add all the ingredients into this mug.
What?
So easy.
Let's go.
We got a tablespoon of melted butter right here. Boom. Tablespoon of brown sugar. Tablespoon of sugar. White sugar. Pinch of salt. Okay, so we're gonna add to this mug 1 egg yolk. I have seen that hack, which I'm sure so many of you guys have probably done this or seen it. I've never.
Okay, wait, what? You just put it all together and you're gonna separate it? Or the egg?
Yes.
Okay.
So I was like, what are you talking about? Yes, so apparently you can take a water bottle, squeeze this, and then it will. Right? Am I doing this right?
Let's see.
How do you do it? Somebody tell
Hold
me.
it in. I see what you're trying to do. Now suction it up.
Wow. That did not work.
What? Go. Oh, what? Hey,
no.
I wanna try that.
Wait,
I wanna try
that. Work.
It's all right. Good egg. A for effort. Oh my.
The only problem is we only have 1 egg left.
Are you serious? No way. For all of these?
But there's this one. This is the only one that needs an egg.
Oh my gosh. We have to go to the neighbors.
So we can't mess up the next one.
Oh no. All right. Forget it, you guys.
Dang it. I did something wrong. I'm pretty sure of
Wow.
that. Or it doesn't work. I don't know.
Do you know another way to do the egg white only?
Yeah, the normal way.
Yes. Wow.
Okay, let me try that.
Wow.
Wow.
All right, here we go. This is the old school. Wait, what?
This is how I do it.
Are you serious?
Yes, that's how I do it.
Wow.
How do you do it?
I do like the back and forth.
Oh
thing.
no, this is way easier. You gotta get your hands dirty.
What?
Come on, babe. Don't be such a wanny.
My.
Don't be a wanny Danny. Don't be a wanny Danny.
Wow.
Look at that. It's perfect.
Yeah, it only took you 2 eggs.
Whatever. I tried the other way. This is the best way to do it. So,
wow.
Wow. So this is going in. Are we ready?
Let's do
to
this.
plop that
is it
in?
egg whites only or egg yolk only?
Egg yolk.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Boink.
Oh.
So we've got the egg in here and all the other stuff we showed you. Now we're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. And then we're gonna mix it all together.
Wow.
We ready for this?
Do you mix it with that? I've seen them use a fork for it. No?
Oh, they can use whatever you want.
Oh, okay. Like a sifter.
I ain't like the other ones. Look at that. So it's like a dough. Look at that. Okay, so we got the chocolate chip cookie mix in there. We are gonna put it in the microwave for 60 seconds, 1 minute. All right, so we just took it out of the microwave and that's what it looks like. So that's what it says it's supposed to look like, you guys. They said it will come out like looking a little undercooked, but you don't wanna overcook it. I'm gonna stir it up and see what it does here. It actually looks good. Okay, there we go. Let's try it. It also says to add some ice cream to it. So we'll have to try that maybe with one of the other ones. Let's see.
Smells good.
Tastes like a cookie.
Oh, really?
Like total cookie.
Huh.
Like cookie crumbles. Oh, that's actually good.
So it probably would be good with ice cream. Mm-hmm. Put like a small scoop of vanilla ice cream in there and just mix it together.
Should I right now?
Go for it.
Okay, so I'm gonna add some ice cream in here, but you guys, Danny and I were just talking off camera, and it is a little dry. So we're kind of surprised it didn't have like any, like the other ingredients have like lemon juice, or like the brownie one has vanilla that I feel like is the liquid's gonna help it a little bit. But this one literally had no liquid in it. And yeah, it's a little bit dry. Wouldn't you say like a little crummy?
Yeah.
Like, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know. I don't know if you could add maybe a little milk in there. I assume you could add some milk.
Yeah, the other ones I've seen had a little bit of milk, had vanilla. They were different. So this one just it did say it might come out dry.
Yeah.
So that's just this recipe.
And it tastes good, and it's 20 times better with the ice cream because it gives that like liquidy.
Yep.
Yeah. So overall, not bad. I feel like you can modify it how you want. Those are the measurements to kind of make it into like a cookie, but I feel like you could liquefy it a little bit with maybe like, I would say like a 1/2 tablespoon of milk, and try it and see. Okay, next one, you guys, we are doing the brownie cake mix.
Ooh.
I'm excited for this one, you guys. Look at this cute mug.
Aww.
Me and Danny forever.
Aww.
My mom actually made this for us for a couple Christmases ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, we're using this mug. We are gonna do 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Boom. We are doing 2 tablespoons of milk, which I'm like, this liquid is probably a lot better. 1, 2.
Nice.
Then we are gonna do a 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla.
This one's like pure liquid.
Yes.
Lucky for Tina, there is no egg to be cracked.
Not lucky for me. Whatever. I tried something new, leave me alone. Okay, and then you're gonna do just a little dash of salt in this one. Just a little dash. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, and then you're gonna whisk that, mix it up really well. Ah, yeah, oh, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so we mixed that up really well. Now we're gonna add a tablespoon of cocoa.
Ooh.
And we're gonna put that in there. And then we're gonna put that in there. Ready? Boom.
Nice.
Then you're gonna whisk that up really well.
So we've noticed just from the last one, you guys, it's very important that you mix things up. The first recipe actually didn't like stress that enough. Yeah.
But I will say, Emberlyn and Ethan came over and tried the cookie one, chocolate chip cookie, and they both were like, "Oh, this is good."
Well, I actually
I
liked it too.
And it was better with the ice cream,
It
honestly.
was, yeah.
Because it wasn't so dry. So, okay, so there's that. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar, or no, yes, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, 2 tablespoons going in. 1, 2. Then you're gonna mix that really well. So basically after each item, you wanna mix it up really good. And then to this, we are adding 4 tablespoons of flour. So let's count it together, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's mix that up all together. See how that's gonna turn out. See, this to me is more like a dough than like...
Way better.
Oh man, that's looking Gucci gang. Look at that.
Whew. So could you even put chocolate chips in that if you wanted?
Oh, I'm sure you could.
I've seen them when they put Nutella.
I feel like though, when you do too much chocolate, it's too much chocolate.
Yes.
If that's a thing.
Yeah.
For me, it's a thing.
Oh, for sure.
It could be too rich, you know?
Yeah, too rich, too sweet is no bueno.
Look at this. Look at this consistency.
Wow.
Way better than the last one we just did. So I'm sure there's other recipes for the chocolate chip one. Or just add a little milk, honestly. I think it would be fine. So that's what it looks like. Boom. That is going in the microwave for 60 seconds. Let's check it out. Okay, 60 seconds is up. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, yeah.
Does that look better?
That looks right.
Ooh,
that looks right,
so you
baby.
could let me see.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
That smells amazing.
You gotta get some ice cream on that. You have to.
I have to.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can just... This is so satisfying. It's a cake!
Wow.
It's a cake!
Success.
Yes, look at that. Wow.
Let's see.
Look at that.
Oh, wow, totally.
Look at that. Oh, this is like
That's the way to do it.
Okay, let's try it. Oh. I'm so excited.
That's good.
That's bomb.
Emberlyn, go try that.
Oh, the ice cream too, you guys. I'm an ice cream lover. Look at this, like steam coming out. This is like a dream in a mug. Good?
Is that good? Ooh.
It's like a dream in a mug.
So here we go. We've got Ethan here. See if we can get a so good out of it.
It's hot, so be very careful.
Kids trying the one mug, the 1 minute mugs.
So which one's this, the brownie?
Blow on it.
Yes.
Yeah, brownie. His knees went weak.
Wow.
He goes,
Was that really goody?
Yeah, I want more.
So what do you
which
think?
one's better, the chocolate chip cookie or this one?
This one.
Yeah, agreed.
So what do you think? What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Oh, yes.
So good.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, you guys, next up, blueberry lemon.
Ooh.
I'm excited for this one. I'm so curious how this is gonna turn out. I feel like it's gonna be my favorite, but I'm trying not to have high expectations.
Third time's the charm. You're getting this down.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so for this one, you're gonna do a 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. So we're gonna pour that in.
I actually like your hair like that.
Thanks, babe.
Even though I know there'll be some people saying like you shouldn't have your hair down while you cook.
Oh well.
I'm like, you know what? This is for me. This is for me.
That's for Danny, guys.
Yes.
Okay, so we have a 1.5 tablespoons of butter in here, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, and then we are gonna whisk that all together. Okay, next we are adding in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Boom. Mix that around. Then we are doing a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Okay, tablespoon of Greek yogurt. We'll mix that up. Then we are doing 2 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2. And then we're gonna mix that all together. Okay, so next up we are gonna do a pinch of salt in here. Pinch, boink. Then we are gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon. Boom. We'll just mix that up.
And you guys, these take longer, obviously, when we do like the cook with me's or when we kind of present it. But
Yeah.
you do this on your own and it takes no time.
So fast, so fast. And go check out our Oreo one that we did, you guys, because that's a good one and that one's really easy. Like really, really easy. Okay, so now we're gonna do the zest of a lemon, just 1/2 of a lemon. Oh, that smells so good. So we just zested that lemon and it smells amazing. So now to this, we are gonna add 1/4 cup of flour. So that's gonna go right in there. Boom. Then stir that all together.
This is where you start getting your dough.
Yep.
Wow.
Oh man, I'm just curious if this is gonna be my favorite one.
This is the one I'm looking forward to.
Me too. Cause this is like right up my alley. Like this is like, if I'm eating cheesecake, I always get the like lemon raspberry cheesecake. Just anything lemon, oh, it's my fave.
I love blueberry muffins.
Oh.
So I feel this is gonna have like, be like a blueberry muffin, but with a little lemon zing to it.
Yes. So there's that. So the last thing you're gonna do with this one is add in the blueberries. And it says to add about 10 blueberries. You can use fresh blueberries, which is what we are doing, or frozen if you wanna use frozen. So we're gonna just dump, it says about 7 to 10. I have 7 in here. Ooh. Actually, I have 10 in there. I don't know how to count. And then you're just gonna fold it in.
Ooh, all mixed up.
Don't know what to do. Guys, come on. I feel like I could just eat the dough and be fine. There's no eggs in here.
Are you gonna taste it or no? Just wait till the end.
Oh, I gotta wait. Gotta wait. I'll lick the fork. Okay, so we got that all in there, you guys. Now it's literally 60 seconds again in the microwave.
Bam, 1 minute mugs. You are the best.
Here we go. All right, here we go.
Boom.
This looks bomb. Dang. Should I try it with ice cream or without?
I say try it without.
Without first?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you guys, check this out. Look at that. Ooh, total cake. Let's try it. Okay, here we go.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. Did you get any blueberry in that one? No?
Actually, no. Oh, there it is. Sorry, I gotta mix it around a little bit. I'm gonna try it with that blueberry. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's hot. This would be good with ice cream too, though. Mmm.
Good.
Get those blueberries in there.
Ooh, let me try that.
That is bomb. Okay, you try it. All right, Danny's going for it.
Wow, that smells like a good lemon cake.
Oh, yeah. Honestly, so good. Look at that steam coming off there. The blueberries are everything in that too, because they're like, oh, here we go.
Mmm. That's good. I'd like some ice cream, but you guys, it's really light.
It is.
It's like light and fluffy.
It totally is.
Really good.
Light and fluffy. Look at this. Look at that. Yum. Definitely, I would have ice cream with every single one of these. It just makes it that much better.
So good, you guys. Boom, Tina's putting in some ice cream with it.
I'm not letting any of this go to waste, guys.
Oh,
look at that.
Okay, you wanted to leave some, why don't you just put the cake in there?
Hey, I might do it. Don't tempt me. Oh, you guys, this one? Okay, out of the 3, babe, which one was your favorite?
Chocolate chip cookie. Even though it was a little dry. Even though it was a little dry, I had it a little later after the ice cream kind of moistened it up a little.
And it was your favorite?
It was really good, yeah.
Wow.
I'd go chocolate chip cookie, lemon blueberry, then brownie.
Wow.
What are you doing?
I'm doing this.
Okay.
Lemon blueberry, brownie, chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh, okay.
The brownie honestly was really good too.
It was okay.
It's kind of what you thought in the beginning.
Yeah, I'm not big on the
you're
brownie.
right.
Yeah.
Which is funny because you're total like chocolate cupcake guy.
That's very true.
Yeah.
No, I'm more
vanilla?
Yeah, white cake cupcake.
Do I even know you?
No.
I think you change your mind that much.
No, I don't.
I think you do.
I love white, light, fluffy cupcakes.
I always see you eating chocolate.
Because that's usually what people
Put a
make.
picture here.
What?
And here, and here, and here. Daddy eating chocolate cupcakes.
Oh, man.
This one's bomb.com. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. 3 different mug cookie / cake TikTok food. I'm gonna say it was a hit, all of them.
Yeah.
So you guys, loved them. Let us know if you guys try any of these out. If you do, send us pictures. We love getting pictures. So many of you guys will send us pictures over on Instagram of you making these desserts. I like to see how they turned out. So if you guys do end up making it, send us a picture. We'd love to see them. And that's it, you guys. Let us know if there's any other like TikTok food hacks or anything like that that you guys want us to do. We're having so much fun doing them. So let us know down below, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And don't forget,
choose your day.
I see a light.